Yo, another freestyle for y'all. Tiger type beat, but Dub Cartel. Shout out to my nigga Bally Cash. Man, I don't even know what this beat is, but I'm about to kill it anyway because y'all niggas looking like fools to me. Folly ass niggas, you know, fruity ass niggas looking like strawberry niggas, you know. I come through with the Glock and the goons right behind me. Everybody looking for me, yeah, they hope they find me. I don't give a fuck, niggas so divine with the words, the way I'm spitting. All these hoes love my shit. I don't give a fuck about y'all niggas. Y'all think y'all be stunting when y'all ain't really doing nothing. Niggas sit on your ass and just get fat, eating all the food because you're lonely by the fact that you ain't got no bitches. Man, I'm fucking pimping on your hoes. Man, what the fuck you thought? You need to get some swag in your clothes or something like that. I don't even know what the fuck it say in these raps about y'all niggas, cause I ain't really no real competition, cause I'm anticipating every move y'all making. Everybody know that I came through with the new making. Man, I'm killing these niggas like Jason. I ain't really gotta say nothing for y'all bummy niggas. All I know is that y'all on the side of the road with a sign, nigga, saying that y'all hope to find a real job in the house, nigga. Man, silent as a mouse, I creep through on y'all niggas. Murder dragon body bags with a fool in y'all nigga. Put in this shit, jump in the pool, nigga. Man, I'm swimming on y'all bitches, cool, nigga. Man, iced out, fucking diamond. Everybody know that I ain't gotta be rhyming. To rap for real on y'all niggas, don't even need the paper to be writing. Fuck, I don't even care no more. Fuck this shit. Next time I'ma write some shit down for y'all niggas so y'all can understand. Freestyling ain't even shit for me no more. Alright?